Hello everyone, welcome back to Driven Vision, where we explore the latest in military and aviation tech, for educational purposes. Today, we're diving into Japan's cutting-edge drone programs, from naval UAVs to AI-powered combat wingmen. Let's explore each powerful initiative. Ship VBAT Naval Drones. Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force is introducing the Shield AI VBAT, a VTOL drone capable of launching from ships. Compact and portable, it delivers ISR capabilities across the Indo-Pacific, a strategic move for maritime awareness. Waterwave Sea Guardian Male UAVs. The JMSDF has selected General Atomic Sea Guardian drones for its long-endurance surveillance mission. These drones can fly 24+ hours, equipped with multi-mode radars, EO/IR sensors, and electronic intelligence suites, perfect for persistent maritime patrols. Bomb kamikaze and attack drones. Japan plans to deploy about 310 kamikaze-type drones by fiscal 2026. These loitering munitions, sourced from Israel, Australia, Spain, will shield vulnerable island chains like the Nansei region, offering cost-effective strike capability. Robot Face AI and Drone Task Force. In June 2025, Japan's Defense Ministry formed a 30-member team focused on merging AI with unmanned systems. Their mission includes integrating autonomous planning, swarming, sensor fusion, and teaming these UAVs across air, land, and sea. Handshake Fighter Wingman Drones. Mitsubishi Heavy unveiled AI-enhanced drones like the ARMDC-20X, designed to fly alongside manned fighters. Their stealth design and autonomy allow them to support next-gen jets in tasks like aerial combat, reconnaissance, and EW. Shield Cap AI Drone Development. As part of the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, Japan, the UK, Italy, and USAI collaboration, are co-developing drone systems that support future fighter jets, enabling complex combat operations by 2035. Globe with Meridian's market and strategic context. Japan's military drone market is growing fast, expected to reach $5.3 billion by 2030, driven by rotary, hybrid, and fixed-wing UAVs. Demographic decline means unmanned systems are not just tactical, they're necessary. Japan's multifaceted drone initiative combines naval ISR drones, loitering munitions, AI-powered wingmen, and long-endurance surveillance UAVs. Through domestic innovation and international partnerships, Japan is transforming its self-defense forces into a modern, networked, autonomous force. Thanks for watching Driven Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let us know in the comments, which Japan drone project surprised you most?